Okay, so this is our website for Homegrown, and when you first come in to the website, you're gonna see our title page, and it it causes creates contrast because the background is blurry, and then it draws your attention to our title, Homegrown, and we're keeping a country theme throughout the whole website. So when you scroll down, it tells you about us. And so about us is, our band name is Amma, and it was formed by 3 girls in Alabama College, which were Abby, Maggie, and Anna. And we roomed together then and majored in music entertainment. So one day we were singing. One day Maggie was singing, and then we all started to sing, and then we decided to start a band. And now we are here in Atlanta, Georgia, with America's top hit single, Price Tag. And we are Amma from Kappa Kappa Gamma in the University of Bama. So we spaced our little squares together, and the first 2 are small, then the bottom 2 are big, but they're all have the same width on each end. And when you scroll down, like I said, we kept the whole country feel throughout the whole website. So you can go over here to shop now to buy our merch. And this is our t-shirt, and this is our CD cover. So for our cover, we have all 3 of us sitting in the front, and the M causes attention, so people will want to go to it. And then Emma from Bama and Kappa Kappa Gamma creates, they want to know what it is, and so they want to hear our music. And it's for $30, and the t-shirt is for $22. So then you go to our about, and it tells us about us. You can ask us questions, and you can email us stuff. And we're going on tour also. So we made our backgrounds a little blurrier so it can create contrast for the words. And then we showed repetition by having the country feel throughout the whole website. And then we aligned all the boxes in the same width from each other. And we put them really close together so they can be shown. And then our CD cover grabs the audience's attention by the M and then the chain, and then it creates an interest, so they want to know what it is. And then they hear Amma from Bama and Kappa Kappa Gamma, and they're like, wow, that's funny, I want to hear more. And then they listen to our song and then want to go to our concerts. Yeah, that's our band.